Yeah. So hey guys, so here's the second part of the linear regression. I have done some small few changes for making it work, and now you can see the whole program. Okay. Now just let's run this program. Yep, there is some few problems in Python like space and all. So yeah, now you can see the whole graph for this. So here are the points like x and y points. Here is the x which we marked and the y, and now the whole green line is marked as the linear expression is being generated by that equation which we have followed. And then these are the whole coefficients which you have find from this all our equation. Okay guys, thank you. Do subscribe my channel.